Hey y'all, what up? This is Justin at TradeMo.co. Hope y'all doing well today or this evening, whatever day it is for you. So this TradeMo system right here, this is an easy system to follow. TradeMo.co is just basically two moving averages uh responding to each other at different speeds. So the blue line is gonna cross over and start going down quicker than this orange line, which is gonna cross over and go down. Okay. So when that blue line start going down and you see it cross underneath that orange line first, you take it as a sell, you leave that trade open. And as you see, this trade is going down right in front of you. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell. No, I got it. um, hold on. I made a mistake. I must have. Yeah. So let me go in. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and right with you, start making money, show it works. So it's gonna be a sell for now. So this is right here, the minute chart. Uh, when these lines cross over and this arrow shows, I mean that's the direction it's going. Okay, depending who your broker is, you know how it go when you first start getting it, you're gonna be underneath. But as long as this blue line is underneath this orange line, which is faster than this other line, right? These moving averages, uh, that line is gonna just indicate that it's going down as a sell. Okay, you keep the trade open as long as this blue line is underneath. And in the past, it showed when the blue line was over the orange, the price went up. And we look in the past again, when the blue line was underneath the orange line, it was a down sell. And in the past, when the blue line was over the orange line, it was a buy. When the blue line was under, and I'm just going backwards. So you're just gonna look at the market going from left to right. Okay. So as like I said, this is a sell. So I'm gonna get in profit zone. So look over here to the right, and if you see prices going down like I said it would, this people, this is an ADX. I'll show you how to use this ADX. Basically, this shows strength. So this ADX shows strength. This moving average shows direction. Now it does show strength and direction out here with the if you're looking at the red line and the green line. But the strength part is the blue line because that shows you how much pressure it is when it's actually moving. So that let you know that's a good trade where it's going to be volatile. So this comes with a 25 line that we put right here when the blue line starts to go up and it goes over the 25. And as you see, it's a sell. That means it's going to be some volatility to it. So right now we see price just going up and down. And that's how we trade. We don't worry about these candlesticks anymore because that is why people will lose. What we're doing is just trading the average direction price is going. This is price right here, right? This is the overall price. The chart, everything to the left is just showing you where price is being. Okay. So price is right here as we see. So we're following where price is going with these moving averages. So watch. You see how that moving average is steady going down and the orange line going down and they spreading from each other. And this line right here is going down. See what I'm saying? It's a sell. We don't have to worry about these candlesticks. We don't have to worry about charting anymore. And I was taught that, but it takes too long to look for trades doing this type of stuff. Nobody want to do all this, even though it does work. Don't get me wrong. You don't have to do that. You see how you got to do all this to find trade the traditional way. You know what I mean? How people teach and all that, and it works, but it's just more tedious to do, and it's harder learning curve. Or the support and resistance where you see what line price has been in the past. See what I'm saying? From left to right, price shows has been here. You can do that with a lot of the actual pairs. It's just the past where price has been. But I eliminated all that extra hard shit. You know what I mean? So, like I said, when this blue line go underneath the 10, which is the orange line, when the blue line is underneath the 10, the orange, uh, it's gonna go down. Period. Period. And as we see, it's still going down. Still going deep into profit. It always start in the negative. So I'm just gonna leave this trade open. I'm just gonna talk some shit why it does what I said we're gonna do. I've been trading for the last 4 to 5 years. I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars in the foreign exchange market, but I stayed dedicated to it. I had to teach myself a way to trade and flip money. I don't even like to call it trading because I'm not a, I call it flipping money. All I'm doing is flipping money. Some people flip cars, some people flip clothes, some people flip houses. I flip money. And I'm flipping money by the flip of these moving averages. When that 10 line flip under, when that blue line flip under the orange line, it's a sell. When that blue line flip over the orange line, it's a buy. That's all you got to remember, those color coordinations. Look, as we speak, it's still going down. This is going deeper into profit, right? Look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see how, see, my name, Justin McKissick Larry, and I want to make everybody rich. That's the goal. I'm going to become very successful, helping other people become very successful. Yeah. See, can you imagine, guys, in the past, trading? Remember how you used to trade with all these candlesticks, try to figure out where it's going? You just keep the trade open based on the direction. So imagine if I really would have got in here. I would have been way in profit by now. And then you can leverage as much money as you want, y'all. It's unlimited leverage. If you got the money, you could put a fucking $1 million trade in if you wanted to. If you had the money. Imagine flipping $1 million. You know, it's people that make that type of money a day, making millions of dollars flipping foreign exchange. The banks do it because they exchange your money all day. So imagine if you had 2 grand, you could flip that in a day. You know what I mean? To be honest with you, you find the right, it depends on how you want to trade, but it's easy to do. So yeah, and as we keep on looking, now look, guys, this didn't go into profit here because I got it late, but I'm making this video again to just show you the proof in the pudding. So I'm just gonna keep the trade open. I'm gonna still talk shit. This is the true thing when you look at these moving averages. This is really for strength, okay? Because sometimes these lines underneath can throw you off. That strength is still it's still strong, it's way over 25. And if it crosses spread, it's just gonna go up in a strong way because it's strong volatility. So let's see what happens. But look, this is the beauty of it. If it does go down, because it looked like it's gonna go up, right? But we don't worry about what these candlesticks doing. We worry about these moving averages. Don't take the trade. Don't stop the trade if it looked like it's going up. It has to actually cross over, start going up, and the orange line seems to be going that direction as well. Okay. Now a minute just stopped. 60 seconds stop. It looks like it's continuing to go up. Now I'm not gonna take that trade yet. We're gonna keep this trade open because see, this is where people lose money. In trading, we look at these charts going up and down, and we think, oh no, I'm winning. Oh no, 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 it's just going up. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm showing you this is a trend, but I'm showing you how to scout by the minute. To scout by the minute is gonna create a lot of money. If you got, I'm telling you, you can put $100,000 in this motherfucker and flip that motherfucker to $300,000 if you got that type of money. You can do that in a few days. And if you don't want to flip the money on the time frame that small, imagine flipping about an hour. Look, imagine getting in here from here by the hour. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna make people fucking rich. Now by the hour, look what we see, guys. It says going down. So by the hour, it's really a down trade, okay? But look at the minute. The minute show that it's going up at the moment. So that means you see how right here from right to left it was going down most of the time, and it's doing the same thing here. This probably just gonna go up for a little bit. So I'm gonna just follow what it says. I'm gonna take the trade because I don't know how far up it's gonna go. I know it's gonna go up. If I was, I would have got in. You know. So the way we get in these trades when they cross and then the other candlestick form and it still cross the spread over there, you take that trade. And I'm just gonna leave it open. And as you see, it's as I told you what it's gonna do. It's gonna go the direction. These moving averages are responding to the direction of price. Okay. So don't you could look at this at well, you ain't winning no money now, but look, this is about when you get in from over here. And look, and my indicator came. Look, I got in early when I'm watching it, but eventually it came on. Now it's really look right in front of you. Now I'm in profit. All the time in the video, I'm talking about, being a profit. I don't do a profit. Now look, I don't know how far up this profit gonna go, and you see it showed up. It shows you, y'all. I didn't tell you, give you indications too. This is like one of the best videos ever. If you follow the simple, way of trading, guys, this is like the best thing ever. Yep, yep, yep. I'm pretty happy I made this. Came up with this idea for y'all. I've been trying to come up with this idea for myself for a long time, and it feels good. And I can help a lot of people too. All you paying is $50 to learn the process, how to do this, and you get the indicator for free. And the indicator, you know what I mean, the lines, I mean the arrows that show up. The arrows, all they doing is responding to the blue line. I made this exactly when that blue line is over that orange line. Exactly when it's over it, it's a buy, and I got it exactly when it's underneath it's a sell. And as we seen, I got it early because I saw it already was crossed and spread. So because I already know how to trade, I'm gonna teach you how to trade without. I'm gonna teach you how to trade like this without on your phone. You know what I mean? So you ain't gonna have these arrows popping up on your phone. You can't do it on your phone. But the way I just got in early, then the arrows. Now watch. I'm gonna teach you this. I'm gonna teach you to trade better than the arrows. You know what I'm saying? Voila, voila. Look, I'm in profit. So imagine if I would have got in, as we see, because it's the minute chart. You're only gonna make so much money. You know what I mean? Because I mean you. Let me not say that. As you see, if you would have got in from here to here. So let me show you how much money you make a profit. Follow me right here. You see how this line right here, price going up and down. I'm showing right here where this green line is where I got in is a buy. And it came up a little bit farther. Let's say I got in from there. Okay. Price is right here. We see. You see this line moving? This is what this line represents. Price. All the way over here. Price. You see how it's just going up and down? I'm already 28 cents in profit with this little bit of push. Okay. So imagine I would have got in from here. Oh no, no, I'm sorry. I'm showing you backwards. I'm sorry. Got it from let's just say here to here. You see the big difference? You see how that blue line stayed underneath that orange line the whole time and went the direction it went to until it crossed back over and stayed open to going the other way and did it again. Now look, I'm in profit. So that's all y'all doing. That's all you're doing. And I personally, because I've been trading long, I have more experience. I know what's going on right now because of the way the market, the way the charts move. Because this is an ultimate downtrend. This price is gonna go up to a certain point. It's just gonna bounce back down, go back down. But you don't have to guess that, y'all. Y'all don't have to learn that extra shit that I know. All you gotta do is just follow the arrows. I mean, not the arrows. Follow the moving averages crossing over each other. Look at that. And you could have took that. You could take profit whenever you want, y'all. If y'all feel comfortable with a certain amount of profit, take it. I recommend you leave the trade open until it cross back over. You know what I mean? That's the whole point of using it. All you gotta look. All this is responded. These moving averages, all they respond to is what price is doing. It's just tracing it. It's just following it. But the blue line moves faster than the orange line. And as you see, what I'm saying? It's slightly even over here. You're looking at it, it's just quicker. See, look, it's still going up. Well, maybe that's a bad illustration of what I was trying to show. But look, 64 cents in profit, okay? Now you thinking like that ain't shit, but look, I only got $200 in here. And like, look, that ain't shit. You dig what I'm saying? As long as I leave it open. You know what I mean? But look, it could go down here. You know what I mean? And if it go down there, I'm just take profit the other way. But as long as you keep doing it like this, by the minute chart, you'll always make money. And look, you'll be going the same direction the market is going exactly. I mean, if you trading by the minute, that's every 60 seconds. So imagine every 60 seconds, y'all, these candlesticks forming. That's all that's going on every 60 seconds. The minute chart, every 60 seconds, one of these candlesticks form. This is like having a job. Y'all can do this in the daytime. This is basically day trading. Okay. I'm teaching people how to day trade. Flip your own money. Now, let's say you had $1,000 in here and you would have had the same trade up for what I had. You would have had that would have been like $10 already just from that little bit of movement. You see what I'm saying? Look, you see how that money just doubled? That money just doubled right here in front of your eyes. It just turned